Shathir Jongkari India. Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau konrat sang mau la Plie Paidbah ke Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project lani MGMP Kaba ringkat buat Myntri kenat kam jengok kai pertai ubak po lingdo ha kendai lat Shillong ke MGMP ke dei ke jengit trelang jong kenat kam jengok kai bat ke Meghalaya age labu ban sedang ya kene ke projek naduk kene ke tayau banwan bat an pelong ya ka Haman ki district habakrana kene ke sungi konrat sangma ulo ong balingba ka Meghalaya Grassroots Project haga samoi ke beningkong komba khandrius pa ngut ki nongput nong tem kilawan bani shimbenta hakaba kila tem hapalat lais pa teli ki rensan kaput ketem syu kene ke projek ke temu ban penyisno hapdeng kaput ketem bat ke kam jengok kai perthai ban penpau perthai ya ka jingrus pa ka riti ki dostro jong ke Meghalaya.
The season 2 that we are having of the grassroots program is meant to again give another opportunity. This whole idea is to really showcase the talent that we have. As you know, through this program, the government funds 1,600 artists last year. We paid them to perform every day or every weekend in different locations. So we created employment out of musicians. By using the money, of course, that tourists are bringing in, taxes coming in, we are paying our musicians, they perform, we create jobs out of it. And that's how we're trying to create an industry and an economy out of music.